guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing to my channel and then hitting on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So yes guys, this is a face full of makeup. So this video is going to be about after makeup skincare for acne prone skin. So yes, makeup is one thing that it's fun applying, but removing it and taking care of your skin after that is much more important than that. So yes, let's not delay this video. Let's get started with today's video, right? So first thing what I'm going to do is, actually I have shot a couple of videos today, some photos and all of that, and it's a really long day and this is my nighttime skincare routine. So yeah, I will be doing a few things. So first things first, right? So yes, I'm done. The next thing I'm going to do is taking off. A double cleansing is very important when it comes to makeup. So yes, I will just remove this, and please let me know guys if you want to have a tutorial on this makeup look. I can share it. I don't know, I didn't shoot this makeup look, but yes, it did turn out to be good. I like the eye look, especially sort of a smoky eye look. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use this green tea moisturizing makeup cleansing lotion. I'm going to take some of it in this cotton pad like this and just keep it over my eyes so that all that waterproof mascara, all the makeup that I have applied on my eyes just goes off. And yes, look at that. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on my other eyes as well. I've got cold guys, cold and headache. Actually I thought I will not shoot any videos today, but it was a very long time I haven't shot any videos. Other days I'm working and it's quite difficult. So I thought it's okay, cold, headache, it's fine, but I will shoot the video first because it's important. So if you haven't subscribed, for all that hard work that I've done, please consider subscribing to my channel. So I just want to make sure all of my makeup has gone, eye makeup has gone first. So I'm just going to take another cotton pad and I'm going to do the same thing. Yeah, it has almost gone. The eyeliner, the kajal, the eyeshadows, it's still there guys. Not easy to remove that. Well, I don't consider this makeup remover a great one because it's just not that great. So yes, now that I have removed the basic thing, I'm just going to take this in my hand and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. As you know, green tea is a very good ingredient to treat your acne. Actually, this one doesn't smell much like green tea. It is more of a very scented product, guys. So yes, I'm done. I'm just going to take a tissue now. Actually, this was supposed to be a video I wanted to shoot when I I last applied makeup and I did a makeup tutorial, but halfway through my phone just got switched off and I was like, okay, now leave it, just leave it. Let's do it the next time I apply makeup. So today was the day I applied makeup and I was not feeling well. I had the headache and all that sorts of things, but I was like, anyways, let me shoot it because if I delay now again, the thing will be delayed forever. So, yes. Just massaging it well enough so that every bit of that makeup just goes away. And yeah, I just finished shooting a haul video, guys. If you haven't watched it yet and you like watching haul videos, you may just go to my channel. You will find the haul video there. So yes, now I'm done with removing my makeup. So yes guys, this is my real face. If you wanted to see what was hidden behind, so these many things are what I required. 2 tissue papers and 2 cotton pads to remove my makeup. But yeah, it's a good one. The next thing I'm going to do is wash my face with tea tree face wash from Mamaearth. This has been one of the good product. It has this gel-like texture which I like. I'm just going to take very little bit. It lathers really well. It's a gel-like of sort of face wash. I just applied on my dry skin. I mean, before putting on any water, I apply this like this. And massage it really well, especially on my T-zone, which is quite oily. And yes guys, now I'll be back. I'll just wash my face with some water and be back, okay? So yes guys, I'm back from my face wash. I'm going to pat dry my face. It feels really so relaxing guys, especially after the face wash. So yes, I have pat dried my face. Now the next thing I'm going to do is apply a face mask, which is a green tea face mask from Good Vibes. This is how the packaging looks like guys. So I'm going to put this on my face. It has a lid like this, and yeah, I'm going to apply a thin layer of it on my face, avoiding the eye area. I just like to go down until my neck as well with the mask and cover up all those pimples that are there. Guys, I'm done applying this mask. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until this dries and then I'm going to wash it off. So yes, I'll get back to you after this dries off. So yes guys, if you could see, this has dried off. It's like 15 minutes now. So I'm going to wash this and get back to you guys. So yes guys, I'm done washing my face again. Just tap drying it. And also make sure you're taking a clean towel and not, some dirty towel, because bacteria might just sit on it and might be causing some issues on your face. Acne has something that you have to be very careful about. So yes, I'm done with my face pack. The next thing that comes is a toner. I'm using the Good Vibes Tea Tree toner and it's been good. This smells exactly like the mask that I just applied, so it's good. And I'm just going to dab it. And trust me guys, skincare is not something that will just like this happen and it's over. No, nothing like that. Skincare is something that you have to give time for each and every step. So make sure you're giving enough of time, okay? So yes guys, now it's like about 5 minutes that I applied this toner. Actually I had put the phone on pause because otherwise this video is going to be like a million-year-long video. So yes, I'm done with the toner. Now the next step is the serum. For serum I am going to use the DermDoc anti-acne serum with salicylic acid. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is a bottle. This is one of those serums guys, it's amazing. It just gets absorbed so quickly to your skin. I just love the way it feels actually. So yeah. Can you see that? It just got absorbed so quickly. It's already dried. My face is already dried. It's literally water guys. I must tell you, it's literally water. So yes, I'm done with that. The next step I'm going to do is apply a gel, which is again the DermDoc. This one. The DermDoc anti-acne face gel with salicylic acid. This is how it is, and the texture is again water. I must tell you that. But guys, this product, it doesn't smell good at all. It smells like some medicine, usually not these days, but usually previously when during 90s or maybe before 2010, if you went to some hospitals, they smelled a certain kind of smell. That is what you get in this. Maybe that's because of the salicylic acid, but the smell is too strong. But I just love the results it has given me. Initially I used to not like the smell at all, but now I have been used to that smell, so it's not a problem as of now. But make sure you're not applying this on your lips for any reason guys, because this tastes so bitter. I mean, I just one day by mistake it just got applied on my lips and it was so bitter. Oh my god, I was like, what is this? So that is one thing about this gel you should keep in mind. I'm going to massage it well so that it just gets absorbed to my skin. And wait for this to get absorbed to your skin really well. So you will find that it has dried off. So that is when you know that your skin has absorbed the product. So I'm just going to, it's already absorbed in my nose area. It's still over here. It's got absorbed over here, here. Yeah, it's done. It has been absorbed to my skin really well. And the next thing I'm going to do is the moisturizer or a cream, which is the damage recovery night cream by Dermalock with kojic acid. This is how the packaging looks like. So this is also a product that is paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. That is the basic headache you get. Okay, let me tell you about this. This is a product, when I saw its texture, I was like, what is this? It's very thick, guys. It looks really thick. So I was like, not sure if I would like it or no. But trust me, now I'm in love with it. It is very thick, but it dissolves into your skin so well. And the smell of this product is so good. It is a very light fragrance. It smells like Johnson's baby powder. Yeah, the baby powder, right? So it smells like that. And I like to apply a lot of it on my skin and then just massage it on the outward direction like this on my neck and my forehead. So yes guys, this is the skincare routine I do for my acne prone skin. And there is one last step left. That's not all. There is one more step. So the last step that you need to follow is something I have introduced into my skincare recently, which is the Tea Tree Oil Control Sleeping Mask by Good Vibes again. So I'm going to apply this. By the way guys, let me tell you, this is a non-sponsored video. I don't have to tell you this actually. When you see my subscribers right now, you will be knowing I don't have many subscribers. I just have like 150 subscribers right now. So obviously the brand would not approach me to, you know, do their brand campaign or sponsor a video. So yes, they would at least require like 5,000 subscribers to be able to get some chance. So this is how the texture of the gel looks like. This is again a gel, but I like to cover it up once every 3 days. I do this on top of all of the nighttime skincare routine that I just did. I just layer up with the sleeping mask like this. It's a thick layer. And yes, I'm good to go guys. It will get absorbed by the night. It has a whole night to be absorbed, so it will take time. And yes, I'm good to go for the night. And one last step is left out, which is a lip balm. For the lip balm I use, right now I'm using the Himalaya lip balm, but I have purchased the Blue Heaven lip balm. Lip balm is what it's called, because this is over. This is only the quantity that's left. So yes, this is the skincare routine for acne prone skin. So if you are someone who are having acne problems, just try this, because I had faced a lot of acne problems. If you can see the marks, now there are no acne, there are only acne marks left out there. So yes, just look at the marks and you will know. So now it's better after I started using the skincare routine, and it was really a long time I did not make any skincare routine because I was trying these things, and I just want my viewers to get a proper product review rather than just telling use this, it will all work out really well. I don't believe in that. You are following me means you have all the rights to get the right information rather than any. That's the reason I have been posting all simple videos rather than review videos, because I was trying many things. So review videos are about to follow shortly. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, follow me on Instagram, show me your love and support, guys. That's all I would request you guys for. So yes, until my next video, take care, bye bye, love you all.